Let's see the solution of this one. It reads, if sine theta is equal to 0.6, we should find the cos theta. So let's have the solution. We need to simplify that guy from decimal point into a fraction. So last time nagamba buzoti, when we are changing a decimal to a fraction, we add the zeros, we divide with the zeros from right to left. So let's say 0.75 to find a fraction. So we're gonna add the zeros from right to left. So 5 correspond to this 0, 7 correspond to that 0, and the 1 abanga correspond, 0 performing the decimal abanga correspond to 1. So 0.75 is the same as 75 divided by 100. So if it is possible to simplify it further, you can simplify it. Mwajisanzo 25 atogala 75 yokoma 100. So 75 divided by 25, the answer is 3, and is 25 walo 100 as and 4. So 3/4 is the same as 0.75. So on this one, we have 0.6. So 0.6, we can add the zeros from right to left. So 6 correspond to this 0, and the 0 before between decimal to make 1. So 0.6 is the same as 6 divided by 10. And so what will happen here? Sine theta this thing. So sine of theta 0.6 is the same as 6 divided by 10. Of course, you can simplify this one further. Kurika kanga 3 over 5. So what will happen here? Liko sokatoa. So ka toa from 3 work or from 2 work. Sine, its opposite versus hypotenuse. Cos, adjacent versus hypotenuse. Tan, was the adjacent. So on this one, it means the opposite, the 6, and the hypotenuse, the 10. So that's what it means here. So we can just do a simple sketch to indicate the sides. So let's have this right angle triangle, and we should have that 90 degrees, and our theta equal up. So opposite of this theta, that's 6. So we can put the 6 here. Then the hypotenuse of this triangle is 10. So we can put the 10 up. Then next we need to find this length that's missing one. So we can put this one A, B, up, C. So you need to find the BC using Pythagoras theorem. What will happen is let me clear this. Pythagoras theorem, tipanga AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square, that's 10 square, is equal to AB, that's 6 square, plus BC, that's unknown. So here it's 100 is equal to 36 plus BC square, and this guy to be that side, 100 minus 36 and 64. So you can have 64 here is equal to BC square. So next it's to square root both sides. Tipanga square root also square root. So this is square root and that one can cancel, remaining the BC is equal to square root of 64, which is 8. So square root of 64, that's 8. So we're going to put 8 there. Now since it was we should find the cos theta. Cos its adjacent versus the hypotenuse. So looking at our triangle here, cos theta, so let me write here, cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent of this angle, that's 8. So you can put 80 there. Hypotenuse, that's 10. You see? So 80 divided by 10, so you can have cos theta as 0.8. Yoyo the answer imene amaifuna makosa na mini wao. That's our answer. 0.8 as our cos theta. Hey, that's how we can do it. Let's now move on to another question. If sine theta is equal to 5 down 13, we should find the value of 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. So solution A illegal fraction. So what we needed to do, we needed to have our simple right angle triangle. Let's have this. This is our right angle triangle, and I should label this one A, B, or C. So theta ikale hapa. So what happens here? So katoa sine, its opposite versus the hypotenuse. So sine theta is equal to opposite versus hypotenuse. So our opposite, that's 5, and our hypotenuse here, that's 13. So we can have our hypotenuse as 13 and our opposite as 5. Then we need to find the missing side here, BC. What we're gonna do using that Pythagoras theorem, let's do this. Pythagoras theorem, it's like AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square, that's 13. So we can put a 13 square. AB, that's 5. So we can put a 5 square, then plus BC square. The next 13 square, that's 169, is equal to 5 square, that's 25. Then plus BC square. And then next, like terms together, this guy abwera oku. So it will be 169 minus 25 is equal to BC square. So the difference between the two, 169 minus 25 should be 144. We're gonna put it here, 144 is equal to BC square. So we're gonna square root both sides. We're going to square root, we're also going to square root. And the square root here, 144, that's 12. So we can have 12 here as the length of missing side. Then we are done with this. We're going to go back to our sokatoa to kamba zote so ka toa sauruza tani ndikuti tani ikhala opposite versus adjacent. So tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. So opposite in the 5, adjacent in the 12. So jimedivange tilimba apa kuti 1 plus tan theta. Let me change this one. 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. So let's have this. Tan theta is equal to 1 minus, plus tan theta opposite in the 5, adjacent in the 12. Then divided by 1 minus 5 over 12. Ndikuti zateka ndikuti adawa wanchito yawo yata chimedi bange ndingolemba apa 1 over 1 plus 5 over 12 iji tibange divide ndi 1 over 1 minus 5 over 12. So this over simultaneously common denominator in this bracket the 12. 1 column 12 the 12 times 1, you can put it there 12, then plus 12 mu 12 the 1 times 5, you can put it there 5. With the so you can divide by common denominator the 12, or you column the 12 times 1, it was a 12, then minus 12 mu 12 the 1 times 5 the 5. So you can have that. The next it was 17 over 12, then divided by 7, should be 7 over 12. That's it's 7, yeah. 12 minus 5, that's 7. Then next tingabanga divide, what we do tingabanga reverse it, put it multiply, so it will be 17 over 12 multiplied by 12 over 7. So our 12 and 12 will cancel, remaining with the 17 over 7. Then number 70 can get improper. It's improper fraction. It isn't a proper. 7 mu 17 akolowamo kawiri, and 2 times 7 and 14, and the 17 we use a 14, that's 3, then here 7. Like the answer yaife atani apa yateka nkulush avinale by this thing here is the same as this thing, yeah, plus zatega, that's what they need. Here my guys, that's how you can solve this problem. I think dingolegera so pompa, that's what I've given you. We should meet in the next video. If you have enjoyed this video, also I want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as liking my Facebook page, Unique Online Classes Malawi. And if you have any question in any subject, you can join your friends on WhatsApp via this number 0882 435 562. That's my WhatsApp number. You can be a member of my initiative on WhatsApp. You'll be asking any question in any subject, you'll be assisted. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best.